this tutorial video. Inside this video we are gonna fix a phone actually. I mean the phone is a Android phone. It's really oldest one. I think my grandmother uses that phone, and as you can see there is no screen in front of that phone, and it was broken actually. I was made get off that old broken screen and buy a new one, and our screen came up today. We are gonna put it our new screen inside our phone, and we are gonna see if it is working or not. And yes, let's get started. And yes, before the video I take off to all screws from that back panel for connected to new screen. As you can see, there is a one area, there is a one plastic area in here. You should be able to take off that panel, and yeah. Right now I'm taking our new screen is here. It is the brand new screen. It's so easy to implement. It's so easy to connect that type of new screen. And as you can see, there is a one vertical hole in here. We are gonna put it like that. Yeah, like here. And there is a one connector socket in here. We are gonna plug into it. But you should be so nice. I mean, don't press too much. You should be able to make some damage around that socket. It will be so easy if you can find the true direction. Right direction. Yeah, like that. I plug into it, and I am getting back to put that plastic back here. As I said before, it's not a brand new mobile phone. Actually, it's so easy. Samsung G4 or 7, I think. And let's unscrew that screw. Let's put it back. If you don't know anything about me, I am a senior software engineer, mostly mobile iOS and Android, native iOS and Android, but also I am knowing some electronic, especially micro electronic micro solder, but of course I don't know everything. Every day I am learning some new stuff, you know. I'm reading, I am doing some practice. Yeah, and if you know the basics of electronics, I mean, you can repair everything. It should be a drone, it should be a television, it should be a computer, it should be a gaming laptop or professional laptop like Mac Pro, and you can repair some drone. Yeah, drone, the Mavic drone, Mavic type of drone, DJI type of drone you can repair, and mobile phone, tablets, PlayStation. I mean, they are all working using electric, right? I mean, if you know the basic of electric and electronic, you can easily understand what is going on inside that area. And also I would like to show something. Yeah, for example, this one, it's really a good board. My friend gave it to me, and if you know the electric and electronic, if you know the diodes, if you know the switches, lights, capacitor, range switch, you can do it everything, you know. Yeah, we unscrew every screw. Let's plug our back panel. And yes, let's try to open our phone using press the power button, and yes, as you can see, the Samsung logo came out. Let's wait a little bit for seeing the main result, and yes, our phone is opening, but I would like to see the main screen, actually main page. And yes, our phone is came up, and right now I will do some reassemble thing, actually. I will put some glue around that phone, and yes, that's it actually. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.